My name is Daryl Jackson. I do service work on high tower structures. The height doesn't bother me. I enjoy working on them, but at the end of the day, I want to get home to my wife and kids. We add electrical outlets, change bulbs, replace equipment, do inspections on equipment, but a lot of that requires climbing or going up in a lift.
Well, drones can't do everything yet, but to get serial numbers or information off of equipment or do inspections, there's no need in sending a human life up ladders or on the side of towers to get this information when technology gives us the ability to go get this information safely without risking any human lives. And this is information that you can keep on your structure for data collection management that's going to be useful years and years down the road.
I guess there'll always be work for men who climb towers, but if a drone can be flown up and get a serial number or do a quick inspection versus me risking my life, then I'm all for that. I'm all about using technology to increase safety, especially if it's my safety.